Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, PixelLab Creators, and I'm Danny Graphics. In this video, I want to show you how to create a golden luxury text effect. As you can see it on my screen, it's very beautiful. So I'll be showing you how to create this text effect and how to save it as a preset so you can use it whenever you want. And you can change it to any type of text you want because you're going to save as a preset. So without wasting further time, let's quickly get to the video. Let's quickly know how to do it. Let me show you how to do it. Without wasting too much time, let's quickly dive into the video. Okay, the first thing first to do is to please make sure your PixelLab, make sure your phone is on landscape view so you can get this design properly. So without wasting, let's type the text. So you're going to go to edit text, you're going to type log.
You gotta face your fears, you gotta scratch the itch, you gotta break through the walls and get after it. Only time will tell who's gonna make it. I promise you, I'ma be the one who's gonna take it. I fight, I
so we're going to use the font called ᵛⁱᵈᵉᵒ. Go font.
I'll keep punching till my knuckles start breaking. I'll keep going through the blood that I'm tasting. I won't stop till they've all seen greatness. The battle for my world just started, I've been waiting.
ᵛⁱᵈᵒ code. There it is. Okay, guys, the first thing you have to do here is to copy this text. You copy this one, then you work it up and hide it. So after copying now, with this first text, you are going to go to color. Now when you go to color, you're going to go to gradient field. Then you click on plus icon. Now for the up color, I'm going to use a color from my palette. So I'll be using this gray. Using this gray. Okay. You can copy the text code here. So for the bottom color, I'm also going to use the same gray. I'm using the same gray from okay. Then for the middle, I'm going to use a page. You're going to add another color at the middle. You click on this plus icon to add it. When you click on this plus icon, then you have added. Then you're going to change the color of that particular one. I'm also going to copy from my color palette. I'm going to be using a pink. Look at this pink color over here. I'm going to make it a bit. Then we're going to bring it to something like this. Bring it to something like this. Okay. So after that, you're going to add stroke. You're going to add stroke. Go to stroke. Go to stroke. Now you're going to change the stroke to gradient field. Now I'm also going to add okay. We're giving it a brown color. Okay. The bottom also should be a brown color. The down. Just look at what I'm doing and follow me. Now we're going to change the stroke to 2. Change it to 2. Then you okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to make this next one visible. So we're going to bring it to the middle. Yeah. We are going to bring the layer down.
what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We about to
So now you're going to go to color. When you go to color, you go to gradients. So when you use gradient, we're going to use only 2 colors for this one, but we're going to multiply it many times. So we're going to use yellow, brown. So for the up color, we're going to use yellow. So you can copy the X code. So I'll be using this yellow over here. Then for the bottom color, I'll also be using brown. For those of you who don't know what I'm clicking, this is what I'm clicking. If you don't know, this is a color picker icon. So I'm going to pick a color. So I'll be using brown. I'm also going to add another color. This plus icon is used to add color, so I add another. So I'm also going to add another one. I'm going to change this color to brown. You can copy this code over here and use it for your own. Look at this code over here. You can copy it. Color is code. That's called the color is code. So I'll bring it very close to the yellow. Then I'll also put another color, then I'll change this one to yellow.
200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better raise up a sack and tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back.
Okay, we're also going to create another color. So I'm going to change another one. I'm going to change this one to yellow. Go to my color picker and I'll change it to yellow. So that's how I'll change. Just watch how I'll be doing it. Just watch it. Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. Failure ain't an option. So I be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. Okay guys, this is how your test will look like when you are done. So make sure your phone is on landscape mode when you are doing it. If not, it's not going to be like this. Okay, then you click on OK. Okay, after that, we are going to go to stroke. You save it. Okay, after that, what I'm going to do next is you're going to go to stroke. You enable stroke, keep it as gradient with the same color we use, then reduce it to 2. Okay, after that you go to 3D text, you add it, you enable 3D text, you bring the depth down to 2, then darken to 0. Okay, keep this lighting at 90. Okay, then you go to intensity 100, shadow 100, then particular hardness, okay, keep it at 50, stimulate lighting, you disable it, okay, then you save it. After that, you go to 3D rotate, then SI is change it to -8, -8. Okay. Okay, after that, you're also going to click on the first text. Click on the first text. When you click on the first text, you're also going to enable, you also go to 3D rotate. 3D rotate, they'll bring it to the same -8. Make sure you are following what I'm doing or you make mistake. Say -8. Okay. Then you lock it up for now. Then you go to the second text. You go to shadow, you enable shadow. You bring the opacity down to 50. Blur radius to 3. Offset to 4. Offset Y to 5. Make sure it's at 5. Then you save it. You also choose the next text, the second one. You choose the first one. With the first text selected, you go to inner shadow. You enable inner shadow. Okay, you tap on edit color after enabling inner shadow, then you reduce it to put it to like 50. Okay, you can keep it somewhere here. Then you reduce the blur radius to 2. Then you save it. Then you go to emboss. You enable emboss. Then the intensity 100. Ambient light 100.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every
after that, you're also going to go to the second one.
what it seems.
Then you move it up a little bit.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
ᵃᵃ
Oh yeah, no label. Oh yeah, you know me. I have only
you see this.
I'm lonely.
If you can see like I'm going to lose the best effects. Please subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe and also like this video so that part going to see. Thank you for watching. ᵃᵃ.